Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, In the Kitchen with Ash. Today your girl's going to be showing you how to make this creamy chicken Marsala recipe. Let's jump right into this video. So we're going to start off by seasoning our thinly sliced chicken breast with some onion powder, some garlic powder, as well as my favorite chicken seasoning. And you know your girl got that accent in salt and pepper. If you guys are interested in seeing the exact measurements I used for this video, please check the description box below. Okay, so now it's time to coat our chicken in flour. This is one of the most important parts of this recipe. You guys want to make sure that you guys lightly coat your chicken in flour. I cannot stress it enough. Please lightly coat your chicken in flour. We are not deep frying chicken wings here. We are making chicken Marsala. Let's make our way over to our skillet, and we'll be putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Once we melt our butter down, you guys will see what I mean when I say that my chicken was lightly coated. There you go. You see it right there. We're going to put that chicken in that skillet. My skillet is currently sitting on medium-high heat if you guys are interested on what temperature my chicken is cooking on. So now that we have our chicken cooked, we're going to set that to the side while we work on our Marsala sauce. So in that same skillet, I'm going to take some mushrooms and I'm going to cook those mushrooms on up. Once we cook those mushrooms, what we're going to do is we're going to put in some minced garlic. Once we cook our mushrooms and our minced garlic, we're going to be putting in our Marsala cooking wine. If you guys are using regular Marsala wine, please make sure that it is dry wine and not sweet. Bring it to a boil, and then we'll be putting in 3/4 cup of chicken stock. Next, you want to slowly pour in 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream while you are whisking that thing on up. Bring it back to a boil and then put in some salt to taste. And then I am putting in 1 tablespoon of basil, and please don't forget your parsley. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my secret weapon that I use to make my chicken Marsala recipe a hit. I'm using some Auj Jus Gravy, you guys. I'm just sprinkling a little bit into that sauce that we already made. It is going to make this chicken Marsala recipe very special. Once you put in that Auj Jus Gravy, please bring it to a boil, and that's going to have a cooking time around 5 minutes. Then we're going to put our chicken in there, and then we're going to let that chicken sit on that medium heat for about 5 minutes. That way that chicken and that sauce just marinate and all those flavors come together. After 5 minutes, this is what we're looking like. Yes, delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all your support. Bye-bye.